In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash up in Blox Fruits. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there isn't a dedicated upward dash, but you can move vertically using a combination of sky jump and flash step. To do this, what you're going to need to do is use sky jump, so simply just tap your jump button multiple times while in the air. If you're on PC, this is just pressing the space button repeatedly. If you're on mobile, just tap the jump button repeatedly, and on console, you could just use the jump button or double tap depending on your control setup. Sky jump allows you to jump multiple times in the air depending on your stats and energy. This will allow you to jump up to 10 times, which is super nice. If you want to move upward and forward at the exact same times, you need to combine sky jump with midair dash. Simply jump in the air and then of course use that dash ability while facing upwards to create a huge upward momentum. Now, flash step can obviously get purchased from the ability teacher in the frozen village, and it'll allow you to perform a quick teleport style dash. To use this, move upwards, aim your camera towards a ledge or a point above you, and then activate flash step, and your character will dash in the direction you're facing, which can quickly launch you upward if your camera is angled correctly. By combining sky jump and flash step, you can move upward quickly and reach higher areas so much faster, but that is how you can dash up here in Blox Fruits. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.